How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another XRP update. Once again, just being ridiculous, not holding support after reclaiming it. If you remember from down over here, I was calling for a bounce on XRP as it's a very key level of support. By losing this, there is one final support, but there's more of a build-up of bodies in this area, so highly likely that we'd actually go ahead and lose this eventually, maybe even a bounce back into this as resistance before actually continuing lower. So with the reclaim, it needed to hold this as support. We had just recovered the neckline, and the bounce that I was suggesting for here, from here, actually was meant to hold this as resistance. So by reclaiming it, this is actually quite bullish. We can see that it got past this local high, made a new local high, but still lower than the $3.40 all-time high. We can see that it came into the 786, and that was a direct next fib that it rejected. So it made a higher high above this, but still not good enough to change the ultimate trend. So while I've been saying over the past month that this is the final resistance it needs to break, until 315 is broken, then the chances of rolling over are high. Even though it was meant to find support once again to form a bullish cross, we can see in the end it lost it once again. And that is very negative for anyone that's bullish, essentially, because it's confirming that this was a bull trap, and then today's move needs to recover the head and shoulders neckline once again. It needs to recover the moving averages once again. And why did it not just do it yesterday? It could have just maintained them as support. Today we could have been back at $3 if it actually held, because if it had held, the next day would be a move back up to break this high to target 315. That would be what would be going on for the remainder of the week had yesterday found support on the neckline. So by losing it as support, you're now just pumping it into it as resistance, looking for the 100 EMA to finally give in, attempting to lose $2. So pretty much confirming this as resistance to get down into 190, to get down into the 200 EMA, the final support layer of this range, before it really, until we really see a true capitulation out of this bearish pattern. The only way it goes ahead and invalidates all of this is recovering all the moving averages. But once again, as I've been saying in all my videos, that's not good enough. We see the recovery here and here, but it's all about 315. If you don't break 315, you can see it goes lower. And we're in that process of going lower now, with the chance that it could bounce from here. If it can recover the head and shoulders neckline and moving averages, the next target would be 315. So by recovering $2.52, by recovering 252, we should see a move to 315. Understand that. But while 252 remains resistance, this was the level I was saying it must hold yesterday. Now it's resistance. While it remains resistance, it's actually trying to lose the 100 EMA at 228 in order to get down into the 200 EMA. So right now we're on the move down to here. By recovering 252, we're on the move to 315. Should be simple, but currently on the move down unless this is recovered. That's it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment, and share if you want to get educated, so you can do this on your own, so you can predict where the market is going and not get caught off guard with either direction that it chooses. Use the links down below. Enter the Discord. I'm also doing multiple group live streams in there a month. Cheers, everyone.